Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can replace text in Google Sheet using AppScript. So for example, if I want to replace anything, so for this, let's say we have this old text, right? If I want to replace this with new text, so I'm just saying old text, but it can be like can be A to B. Okay, so let's say, so for this, click on extension, go to AppScript. First we will take a function. So replace, and first we will take a function. We call this fnr fnr find. So find and replace, and we'll take a first variable. We call this sheet, spreadsheet app, get active spreadsheet, sheet. So after this, we will take a variable. We call this search text. The text I want to replace. So for example, we have to put as old text. I'll take a variable replace text. And this would be new text. And now we'll take a variable. We call this range, and it will be sheet dot get data range. We use this to select all the data from the sheets, and is dot you take a values. We can use directly. Okay, we use values differently. Get value, and then now we have to use for loop to get the because we want to loop through all the cells, and if the search text match, it will replace it. So we have to use it twice. First for rows, so it's for use dot length, so we have used it for every rows, and after this we have to use it for every column. And now we'll use if function. If values no search text then values replace text. So I hope this will work. Now after this, range dot values this much. So if I run this, see, this text is replaced. So I'll try it for this A. So here in old text you have that A, and the new text I want to replace is B. So if I run this script, see, we have successfully replaced this text. So even it can be multiple times, so it would be A. So if I run this again, see, so this is how you can find and replace in Google Sheet using AppScript. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you.